Hello, this is Kevin Green for Multihull World, and I'm about to board the Cure 55 Performance Cruising Catamaran.
My name's Dave Bigger. I'm the co-founder of Curemarine with my business partner Ian McMahon.
So this is a new boat brand for Australia, built in Australia, designed in Australia. Can you tell us a little bit about the background of the creation of this design and brand?
Yeah, look, we've been building boats under the Cure banner for about 16 years now in Australia. Up until now, we've always been building one-off sort of high-performance catamarans and a few race monohulls. Look, we've been in and around the composite industry and the boat building industry, and I think over the last 10 years we've learned a lot more about production and manufacturing in general, and really pushing the limits with a bunch of technology. And this Cure 55 is a boat where we're really trying to mix in everything we know and want and are passionate about it. I must say, myself and everybody within our team are been heavily involved in yacht racing and or cruising as we get older, and this is what the Cure 55 is.
So it's interesting, your company background, because you've got a wide skill set through your company through manufacturing other products. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. When I sort of finished school, within a couple of years, I actually started boat building business in my very early 20s. So cut my teeth learning lightweight structures and understanding, build stuff light, build it strong enough so that it won't break. And I think boat building for me has been a very good grounding in understanding manufacturing. It's there's a lot of different disciplines that come into building a full boat. And that's allowed us to get into a lot broader bunch of manufacturing. I would say that we are involved in other industries, all of which we get a competitive edge by being good at composites, and we get into industries where we build lighter and stronger and beat the rest of markets.
The helms are movable, and there's power controls on both helms, fully covered stern cockpit, and the davits, good bridge deck clearance. The engine access is under the beds. Notice the push button controls. Carbonautica steering. Coming into the saloon, it's composite built for lightweight. It's about 11 tons. So the furniture is all integral and composite, and it can be a day bed. And that's the finish, the different composite materials. Notice huge windows for good ventilation right through the boat. B&G Smarts, Zeus, so C-Zone digital bus. Lots of cold storage in this boat. It can be a choice of freezer or just cold storage. Look at the windows, absolutely vast. Going down into the starboard hull. This is the owner's suite. The engine's under here on both sides. Again, good ventilation. The daggerboard box, escape hatch, and ablutions, large bathroom, nice deep shower head, lots of headroom, lots lots of storage space. Moving over to the port side, the guest hull, and the central ablutions, central bathroom. I've opened the hatch here, the bed, to look at the engine room, and lots of space around the Yanmar sail drive, with a sealed bulkhead further ahead. Bathroom, and the forward athwartship's bed. Look at the good volume here, good volume. This could be optioned to be a workspace, a workbench. In here we have the washer dryer. So yeah, a very impressive boat, the Cure 55.